Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will show how to disable notifications on ICO 15R. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.